All right, ladies, look. This is the only thing that you could do if he backs away, right? Now, look, it truly does depend on the type of relationship you guys have with him, right? But generally, though, if you guys have been seeing each other for a few months or even a few years, it applies to the same thing, all right? And the reason why is because a lot of the times, most people back away for a few reasons. One, they need space from you, or they're a little too tired from you. And it remind me to make a video why men pull away. The second one is they're trying to manipulate you, right? Some guys pull away, especially when there's no reason why. They pull away. Not, I'm not crying though, people. I'm not crying. All right. But like, oh my God, people, he's opening up. I ain't opening up. A lot of times people pull away because they just need space. I mean, they just need space, right? Sometimes they pull away because there's an ex. Sometimes they pull away because they're mad. The point is that when a guy pulls away, you cannot be, you cannot run after him. You could. Now look, it depends on how your relationship has been, right? If he pulls away and it's the first time he does it, go ahead, ask him what the hell's going on, right? Go ahead and ask him. Say, hey, what's going on? And it depends what kind of pull away that is. If he pulls away in terms of he's not communicating as much, he's not texting you as much. He is texting you, but he's not showing the enthusiasm. And the way to deal with that is just to mirror him. Ladies, you just gotta mirror people. You cannot try to pursue somebody who pulled away from you. You cannot do that shit. By the way, ladies, I have seminars. I'm coming up in New York City. And in New York City, I have one coming up this month. I actually have two coming up. So go check it out. And yeah, I have two in New York City, Miami, LA, Toronto, Canada, Chicago, and maybe Australia. It depends on the sales. But you cannot run after that dude, man. You just can't. It's you cannot be doing that shit, man. You because he's not gonna value you. He's gonna think you're one of those weak-minded women who only source of happiness is to have a guy. Like you have to let the guy go. I don't care how he pulled away. You have to let him go. You have to let him walk. There's no other way around it. As much as you like them, as much as that dick was that suckling, I don't give a fuck, man. You gotta let him walk away. You got to let him walk away. So if you used to be noticing that he's texting you, he used to text you. Oops, sorry. That's if you notice that he used to. That's fine. That's my Spanish channel. Um, if you notice that he used to call you 5 times a day, or even like three, no, like 7 times a week,
You know what I mean?
and now he's
That's
only
how
and
it
now he's
is.
only calling
But
you. Now he's only calling you twice a week. You do the same shit. You start to mirror him. Like oh, you want to talk enthusiastically over the phone. Okay, I'm also gonna talk enthusiastically. You're not going to complain. You're not gonna ask him why he's doing what he's doing. Who can, really you're not gonna get anything from asking why. The best solution is to just mirror that motherfucker. Mirror him. Do exactly what he's doing to you. Give him a taste of his own medicine. And I can promise you, ladies and gentlemen, if he likes you, he'll start complaining about it, and he'll start putting in more effort. If he doesn't like you, he's gonna ask you. He's going to complain about the fact that you're not putting in effort, but he's not gonna make the effort, or he's gonna let you walk away. People people are very simple, man. When you're not looking for an outcome, people become very simple. Only when you're not looking for an outcome. When you're not looking for an outcome, you'll start noticing that you could read people much better, that you could influence them much better. Why? Because you have nothing to lose internally. But when you need this relationship to work out, and I know it's hard. Don't get me wrong. I'm not being. I'm not just looking at it from my own myopic perspective. I understand that when you like someone, you're stuck in a way. It's kind of like there's nothing you could do. You like them, and I get it. But who? That's not an excuse, though. That's not an excuse. See what I'm saying? I think you know what I'm saying. Yeah, man. You cannot be going after these guys. You cannot be telling people you're doing this shit, and then you're telling people you watch my channel. Well, that's just unacceptable. Feel me? Oh, and I have a Spanish channel. Check in the description down below to check out my Spanish channel. All right, ladies, this is it for me today. You guys have a great day. And yes, I'm kind of sick. Peace out. I'm doing this for you guys, okay? Yeah, all right, bye-bye.
All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week, fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses, 10 different bonuses. My Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are: one, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.